Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. The father of a housemate of the Big Brother Naija show, Kidwaya, has reacted to the relationship between his son and his lover in the Baby Naija house. In an exclusive interview with Nigerian journalist and business mogul Dele Momodu and the father of Kidwaya on Instagram Live, he disclosed that he will accept any woman his son brings home for marriage. When the journalist Momodu questioned him if he will accept Erica as his in-law, since the son has started something intimate with her already, he responded saying, "Well, I don't have any issues with my son bringing her or anyone home. Anywhere in the country that my son chooses to get married, I have the best friends all over. Even if he has feelings for Erica, my duty is to bless them," he said. Okay, guys, you've heard it from Terry Wire, who happens to be Kid Wire's dad. He has given the final verdict on Erica and Kid Wire's relationship. He has endorsed them for marriage. That's if that's what Kid Wire wants. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.